Hi all, this is NumPy array video number 2. That is, in this video we are going to see about how you are going to fill set values in an array. That is, we'll be using the predefined function fill of 0. This fill of values, it is also works, but it is be very slower. So we go for a next term called a colon is equal to 1. So all the 4 values will be replaced by the values of 1. But this data type properly tells which store of array it is stores in the form of integer form. So when we given the value of 1 is a form of integer, so it returns the value. Data type is number integer of 32. Next we are going to assign the value float. So it truncates into decimal point a of 0 equal to 10.6, but this array is in the form of an integer, so it takes a value only 10 does not take the value 10.6. Yes. So for example, if you are going to have fill of minus 4.8, since this array is a form of integer 32, it takes only the value minus 4. So next we are going to see np.array of range of 10 comma float is nothing but the range of 10 it will be containing a float. For example, in this array we are going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. The 10th value is nothing but 9. So we are going to consider this 10th value as a floating value. So it reshapes the value 5, 2. So it has arrays of 0, 1. So it can 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it realizes. So the a of shape of is number a of shape says the number of items in array is five tuples with a value of 2. That's the shape of 5. For example, 0, 1 is 1, 2, 3 is 2, 4, 5 is 3, 6, 7 is 4, and 8, 9, 10. So it takes a 5. Out of this 5 arrays, how many values are there? There's only 2 values. So it takes the value 5, 2. So it segregates second line says full values. Second, that is a equal to a reshapes the value. It segregates the given values into 5 different arrays of values of 2. In case if you are going to give 5 of 3 means, in case we want to 3 of 3 means, it says 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 9 itself. Next, slicing. Slicing means it's nothing but you're going to get a value from an array. For example, we are going to have the values of slicing of 0, 3.5. 3 is the inner boundary value and 5 is the outer boundary value. So it takes from the values array of 3, 4. So it will get a value. So in case if another slicing operation 4.4 colon, that is inner value is 4 and that's no outer boundary value. Next array next inner value is 4 and that's so it takes the value of array of 45, 45. Next it takes 55, 55. So it is like similar to that we have strides and we have this value. Next array slicing value that is array slicing value is number b equal to a of colon 2 is number. In case if you have values of b 0, 1 equal to 100, so it prints the value 1, 2, 100. So but the 100 value is number 0, 1 is 100. A 0 row and 1 column is number 100. So it 0, 1 is 100. So it prints the value. If we print the value, it print the value is 1, 2, 100. Similar to that, similarly copy will be used. Okay. Next we have references. We have a term called references. Next we have that references to the memory in array. Changing the values in slice also changes the array. That is, if we have any slice values will be changed, it also reflects. It also will reflect in array. Moreover, the reference of memory will be there in array. So slicing operation done with the 2, 4. Inner boundary value is 2, outer boundary is 4, so it prints the value from 2, 1, 3 only. So if your value is b of 0, it changes the value for b of 0 into 10. For example, initially there was the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are going to give the changes of value of a of b of 0 equal to 10. So it changes. So it changes the value 1, 2. But b of 0 is 10, so it replaces the 3 and 4 value before it replaces the value by 10. Okay, this is for slicing references. Next we have fancy indexing. That is that we can able to have 2 types of indexing. First indexing by position, next indexing by booleans. Indexing by position is nothing but you are going to have arrange the value of array 0, 80, 10. Whereas we have a booleans number. Booleans is nothing but true or false. So it has a boolean. So fancy indexing y of 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. So it prints the value of 5. It prints the value 10 comma 25. So taking up, we'll be using the pre functions. That's number take predefined function take a comma 1 comma 1 comma 2. So it prints the value 10 comma 20 comma 30. So next one is that you have indexing booleans. It have mask value. So it compresses the value of compress mask comma a. Okay. This is what. Okay. Next you have a data type. Next you have data type field. So with this video 2 ends. Thank you.